Hey, greetings. Welcome back to Shop Time. Patrick Tipton here restoring this 1943 Studebaker T24 Weasel. You know, they say a journey of 1,000 steps starts with one. Well, I'm somewhere between 1 and 1,000. I'm not quite there, but I'm getting awful close to finishing this hole. Let me show you what I've been up to.
I've been blind to the things that I see. You had no business just doing what you please. I beg forgiveness, you sit down on your knees. I'd be lying if I loved you, I'd be lying through my tears. It's just a day in the life of a troubled man. Oh yeah, it's just a day in the life. Rent a wreck with two bad lungs. I'm a glass back muffler dragging on the ground. I haven't been myself since my baby left town. She put me on a shelf, she don't want me around. It's just a day in the life of a troubled man. Oh yeah, it's just a day in the life. I should be laying in bed. I passed the audition, I'm better off dead. Underneath my nose comes the words that she said. Don't bite the hand that'll get yourself fed. It's just a day in the life of a troubled man. Oh yeah, it's just a day in the life. Dinosaur. I bet you glip painting on your bedroom wall. Now I'm waiting on the phone, wait for your call, wait for the ice in your veins to thaw. It's just a day in the life of a troubled man. Oh yeah, it's just a day in the life. Troubled man. Troubled man. You gotta pay. She said she'd fix my body she heard me holler, stop. Dr. Juice, the sister squeeze. Dr. Juice, the sister squeeze. I was baptized in the fountain of youth. I was scrutinized for telling the truth. There's a scandal going on around here. Are reflections looking back in the mirror. Did I mention I was losing the tooth? I got to move on. Got mountains to move. I got mountains. Mountains to move. I got mountains. Mountains to move. I got mountains. Mountains to move, I got mountains. Mountains to move, a transformation. We'll get a new look, I'm salivating. Get me off the hook, I need a martini. Without the vermouth, I gotta move on. Mountains to move, I got mountains. 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 Mountains to move, yeah. Yeah. I got my business, I keep to myself. I spent a fortune, my mental health. I'm down in a rut. I'm down. I lost my groove, I got to move on. Got mountains to move, I got mountains. 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 Mountains to move, yeah. Yeah. I'm down in the rut, I'm down. I lost my groove, I got to move on. Got mountains to move, I got mountains. 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 Mountains to move, yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I got mountains to move, I got mountains. Mountains to move, I got mountains. Mountains to move, I got mountains. Mountains to move, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So the rear section is looking pretty close to final here. I got a few little things left, but for the most part, I think we're almost ready to start putting paint on that section. I got to do a few things in the front. I got a lot of little things left, but not much in the way of time. Just a little bit here and a little bit there. So we're going to keep grinding. I hope we're spraying paint this weekend. We'll see. If it's not this weekend, then certainly a week from today, I am planning to do it. So as always, appreciate you tuning in, coming along for the ride. Give me some support. I need it because like anybody else, you get in the doldrums of a project, man, you got to keep going. So anyway, thanks again. You keep your corners square. I will see you guys again on Sunday. And with that, I'll say I'm signing off. Ciao.